In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a gold logo in Canva. We'll use Canva's built-in AI to create elegant, gold-styled logo concepts quickly and cleanly, perfect for branding mockups, social graphics, or pitch decks. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share prompt tips so your results look polished and luxurious. First, click on Magic Media. This opens Canva's AI image generation workspace, where we'll guide the tool with a short description and let it produce several logo-style visuals for you to review. If you don't see it immediately, look for the Magic Media icon in the left sidebar. It may appear under Apps depending on your layout. Opening it brings up a text box and generation controls that are designed for creative concepts like logos, icons, and badges. Next, type your gold logo description. This is the most important part. Think of it as a brief creative direction for an art team. Include the subject of your logo, the vibe, and how you want the gold to appear. For example, you might write minimal luxury monogram logo, intertwined letters, metallic gold foil, with subtle bevel, and soft reflections. Centered on dark charcoal background. High contrast, clean lines. If you want something emblematic, swap in words like crest, shield, or round badge. For a modern tech feel, mention sleek, geometric, and matte gold. For a classic premium style, use polished, engraved, embossed, or foil stamped. Keep the description concise, avoid brand names, and state the background you prefer. Dark backgrounds often make gold shine with realistic highlights and depth. If the tool supports it in your account, adding terms like vector style or flat background can help keep edges crisp. Then, click on Generate Images. Canva will create multiple variations based on your description. Give them a careful look. Realistic gold usually shows soft gradients, warm highlights, and gentle shadowing rather than a flat yellow color. Edges should be sharp and legible at small sizes, especially if you're using initials or thin lines. If one option is close but not perfect, refine your description. Perhaps deeper gold tone, thicker lettering, or simple negative space symbol. And generate again to nudge the style. If results feel too busy, remove extra adjectives. If they feel too plain, add one or two specific finish cues like brushed metal or polished bevel. A few small wording tweaks can dramatically improve the outcome. That's it. Click Magic Media, describe your gold logo, and click Generate Images. Follow these tips, and you'll have striking gold logo concepts ready to inspire your final design.